This video will help you master ShiftScheduler. If you need to come back to it later, you will find the link in the footer. Let's start by creating your team. Adding people is super easy. Click Create Person, enter a name, and hit Save. I also suggest adding notes that AI can use later for scheduling. For example, let's say David is a waiter and can only work after 4 p.m. If you want to invite David so he can view his own schedule, invite him by entering his email address here. Now let's move to a slightly trickier part. Focus here. You might have different work locations in your business, such as kitchen, restaurant, reception, and so on. Or you might have different operating rooms or different cars if you run a taxi business. If you don't have multiple locations, just create one called General. For now, I will create restaurant location. Now the location is created, I can add a standard schedule of open slots for it. First, I will create a shift template. Let's say the restaurant has morning and afternoon shifts. Once they are created, I can drag the desired shifts onto the weekdays. This creates a standard weekly schedule, and after saving, these open slots will repeat automatically going forward. If I need to adjust a specific day for any reason, I can do that easily by adding an extra open slot or removing one. I can assign open slots manually by selecting a slot and choosing a person for the shift. All shifts you create are reflected in the people view and in the overview. To be more efficient, you can use AI for scheduling. Before you do, you can define preferences for workdays and days off, your scheduling goal, and any rules that apply to your business. Then just type schedule shifts for January 2026. This might take a minute, so please be patient. Answer additional questions and voila, your schedule is ready. Play around with it and let me know in the video comments if you need any help with anything.